The UP government may be asserting that all is well now and that riot-hit victims from Muzaffarnagar have returned to their villages. But Headlines today has found that the camp inmates are in no mood to return. Headlines today visited one of those riot-hit villages, Kakra, to check whether the victims have in fact returned to their homes. What we found was simply startling. The entire village bore a deserted look. None of the families except one have returned to their homes. The pictures on the ground clearly stand in sharp contrast with what the administration has been stating. The victims allege that people of Kakra and other areas have still not been compensated, and all that the police is doing is pressurizing them to leave the camps.
इसमें 250 परिवार के लगभग थे जी।
लगभग 250 परिवार थे। आज यहाँ पर कितने परिवार हैं?
आज यहाँ पर एक परिवार है।
यानी 250 परिवारों में से सिर्फ एक परिवार यहाँ पर है आज।
हाँ जी।
बाकी परिवार वापस आए ही नहीं।
आए नहीं, जो आता भी है अब तो अपना ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉली ले के अपना ईंट कड़ी काट पाड़ के ले जा रहे।
17 kilometers from Muzaffarnagar city is the village of Kakra. Today it bears a scary look. No one peeps out of the window because the people of this village have left this town. The curtains still remain drawn, but then this town now is as vacant as it was after the riots broke out in September. Out of the 250 odd families, 249 left after the riots. And at this point of time, today, there is a single family that stays here, hoping for better days to return. With camera person Shakil Ahmed, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in village Kakra, Muzaffarnagar for Headlines Today.
All right, let's get in a word from Pankaj Upadhyay, who's joining us live from Muzaffarnagar this morning. Pankaj, you're getting us visuals of Kakra village. Almost half of the village is now vacated. You're telling us that 250 families fled after the riots. Only one has returned. The other houses that you saw there, were they ransacked? Were doors broken? Did you find locks that had been broken into? Because when we had visited this village earlier, we'd gotten reports of how people had also stolen their belongings.
See, the state in Kakra village is very disappointing. What I had gone out there to check the claims of the administration that maintained that restoration work was on and that police was visiting the area with confidence building measures and that requests had been sent out to the villagers to return because adequate amount of help had been given. So when I reached that village, as I mentioned in the report as well, there is a single family that is staying there. The entire houses, around 249, have been ransacked. There is no hope out there. Is no state machinery worth the name. Leave aside the panchayat sitting or framing out certain ways so that, earlier days could be restored. So nothing of that sort has happened there. One wonders on what account, on what grounds is the local administration drawing the picture that things are back to normal?
Right.
And this is just one case study of a village. There are many other villages spread across the Muzaffarnagar city where the same picture has been drawn by the administration, trying to befool the people into believing that things are normal. But wherever we have went, be it Shahapur, be it Loi, be it Neenkhedi, be it Jawla or Kakra yesterday, things are totally different, contrary to what the local administration is stating.